So, guys, last time we talked about stars, and we said all stars. Hazrat Ibrahim, chup, 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 chup. You will. I'm going to let you speak. I'm going to let you talk and talk and talk until you can't talk anymore. लेकिन अभी नहीं, अभी थोड़ी देर चुप रहो, ठीक है? इसके मुंह पे हाथ रखो. अच्छा, so we talked about stars and billions of stars, and they all eat hydrogen, and a huge amount of hydrogen, 600,000 tons of hydrogen in 1 second, and ultimately it runs out, and then they start dying, and the sky is full of stars which are dead. Many more which are alive, but many which are dead. Okay, so what is a star? Star is very heavy. Now, we're going to talk about gravity today. Why does this fall down? Because of gravity. Right?
Earth has a strong gravity.
Earth has gravity. A big star has bigger gravity. No, आगे आ जाओ.
Okay, next.
अच्छा. So, gravity always pulls things down. Now, I can fight gravity by throwing this up. But it'll fall down again. If I throw it harder, faster, it'll go up further. If I throw it up, it went and hit the roof.
Yeah, it can hurt us also.
If I throw it even faster and there's no roof, it'll go up and come down. But if I throw it very fast, then it'll go up and up and up and up, and it will never come down. So that is called the escape velocity. जिस स्पीड पे आप फेंकते हैं, जिस पर वो फिर कभी बॉल वापस नहीं आता, तो दैट इज द एस्केप वेलोसिटी. अच्छा, जिस्म जितना भारी हो उतनी ज्यादा एस्केप वेलोसिटी होती है. तो चलो, जमीन से आपको काफी जोर से फेंकना पड़ता. अगर आप चांद पे हो तो कम जोर से फेंकना होगा. In fact, gravity is very weak on the moon. If you weigh, how much do you weigh? 30 kg? कितना है तुम्हारा? You would weigh 7 kg on Earth, on the moon. कितना तुम्हारा कम हो जाएगा ना वजन? 5 kg हो जाएगा. चलो. So you will lose a lot of weight on the moon.
Okay.
But if you go to a planet like Jupiter, then a big planet, then you'll weigh a lot more. अच्छा. अब देखो. Now, no matter which planet you go to, you can throw this ball, and on some planets you have to throw harder. On some planets you don't have to throw it that hard. Now the thing is that there's one speed beyond which I cannot throw a ball. That's the speed of light. Nothing can move faster than the speed of light. And that means there is that certain stars, if they are heavy enough and small enough, nothing will be able to escape them. यानी कि ये बॉल जितनी जोर से फेंको, ये कभी उधर से जा नहीं सकेगा, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम स्पीड इसकी क्या होगी? स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. कैन लाइट मूव फास्टर देन लाइट? नो. So that means even light will not be able to leave the black hole.
Because black holes don't have
Black
light.
holes are stars that are dead, that are so small and so heavy that nothing, कोई चीज उधर से नहीं निकल सकती, यहां तक कि रोशनी भी नहीं निकल सकती. इसीलिए इनको ब्लैक होल कहते हैं. लिखा हुआ है ना इधर?
The black hole. This is hang of
It's
Speed of light can't escape black hole because
so
there's no time.
so nothing can escape a black hole. अच्छा, लेकिन अब मैं तुमको एक और बात बताता हूं. ब्लैक होल में अगर तुम गिर गए, so let's say you are here and you start falling into the black hole and you go. Then when you reach the center of the black hole, what can happen, I'm not saying it will happen, उधर से एक पतली सी नाली निकलेगी and you will go out into another world, into a new universe. So today, I am going to ask you to imagine what happens when you fall into a black hole and you come out of the other end and you go into the new universe. अच्छा, उस यूनिवर्स को अब तुम लोग मुझे बताओगे कि तुम्हें कौन सी यूनिवर्स में जाना है. तो क्या एक ऐसी यूनिवर्स जिसमें हर चीज आइसक्रीम की बनी होगी, तो तुम जाके इधर चॉकलेट खाओ, कभी उधर वेनिला खाओ, कभी स्ट्रॉबेरी खाओ. Would you like to live in a universe where the houses are made of cake, or chocolate, and
Of marshmallows.
what sort of? So now I'm going to ask each one of you, what universe would you like to go and come out of? तो ऐसे है ना, मैं तुमको बता. एक चाप दे दो.
Can black holes slow down time in it?
Yes. We'll talk a little bit more about black holes. But, okay, so I'm going to show this to you later. So, this is a funnel like this. And then, so you are over here, you will fall into the black hole and go through, and then you will come out into this new universe. And now you're going to tell me what you're going to imagine this universe and tell me what you want over there. हाँ, अच्छा, तो हम इब्राहिम से शुरू करते हैं. हाँ.
Maybe to the multiverse.
नहीं, but what kind of a world do you want?
कौन सी मल्टीवर्स में जाना?
चलो.
IDK.
अच्छा.
जहाँ पे बहुत सारी ग्रीनरी हो और
हाँ,
बस यही, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी ग्रीनरी हो
और क्या?
और ड्रैगन्स हो.
और
ड्रैगन्स हो।
ड्रैगन्स? मुझे तो ड्रैगन से डर लगता है।
मुझे ड्रैगन
उनके मुंह से तो आग निकलती है ऐसे।
फ्रेंडली वाले हो ना।
Yeah, she wants friendly dragons. हो सकते हैं।
हो सकते हैं फ्रेंडली ड्रैगन
अच्छा
उन्होंने पूछा ना किस में जाना चाहते हो, तो हम तो अपनी इमेजिनरी से बताएंगे कहाँ पे जाना चाहते हैं।
अच्छा, तो थोड़ा सा और बताओ।
हाँ ना, ग्रीनरी और ड्रैगन्स हो
हाँ
और अच्छे अच्छे घर हों, बड़े बड़े
हाँ
मज़े मज़े के घर हों और बस।
ओके, ठीक।
I want to go in magical world,
हाँ, कुछ बताओ उसका।
and there is some magical animals
हाँ हाँ, ठीक।
and some magical houses and magical trees.
ओके। ओके, फिर? ओके, गुड। Who's next? You know. आप इसमें बोलो। हाँ।
I like to be in a black hole. I want to be in a YouTuber headquarters,
Oh man,
so I can get some play buttons.
अच्छा, that's very interesting. Tell us about that.
And I'll get a YouTube mansion and a YouTube car. That's it.
Yes, somebody should explain to me what is a YouTube mansion, YouTube car. कुछ बताओ।
I have no idea. Red. I don't.
ये कह रहा है कि मुझे YouTube के हेडक्वार्टर्स में जाना है, यानी कि जो दूसरी दुनिया होगी, that will be YouTube. So how about you?
I think we should ask from him.
Your universe, पीछे कर दो इसको. What kind of a universe do you want to come out of?
There should be a lot of nature, and I want the animals to be very tame.
फिर से कहो.
I want the universe where there's lots of greenery and the animals are very tame.
Animals are very tame. So, like cats are tame. No. You want a pet crocodile?
No, that's too dangerous.
No, but she wants. अच्छा, और?
And there should be lots of treats,
हाँ.
and you should be able to have fun.
Okay, so would you like to go to a universe where there's a circus?
I don't know what is that. Animals look tortured in circuses.
Yeah, tame animals. So, और कुछ बताओ ना. Would you like a pet lion?
Yes. Yes. I
Like
want
bunnies
to
and birds. Just so that they don't like run away from you that much.
हाँ, अच्छा. So next, where do you want to end up?
I mean, if you enter a black hole, won't you get spaghettified?
यार तुम बहुत he's asking a very difficult question. पता है ये क्या कह रहा है? अच्छा, ये कहता है कि हमारी स्पेगेटी, हमारी सवैयां बन जाएंगी. अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो बताओ. Okay. Tell us about that.
I mean, I read a book in which there was a page of spaghettification for when you enter a black hole
हाँ.
and you somehow enter a wormhole because of the force and density and all the mass and matter into it. You can get spaghettified and to a very thin noodle, and you won't be able to come out or survive or even go to another universe.
So that'll happen as you fall over here.
Yeah.
But when you come over here, they'll put you together again.
Won't be like thin as paper. Won't be like thin as paper. How can
No,
they?
the people in the other universe will help you.
Yes. What about if there's two people then?
They'll become even more noodles.
Nice joke.
उधर.
I want a universe where there is no dark matter and everything comes together under the force of gravity and becomes a singularity. All the things in the universe.
You want a universe in which there is no dark matter.
Dark matter.
यार तुम what's your problem with dark matter? क्यों? अच्छा पहले ये बताए कि dark matter है क्या?
Dark matter is a force which pushes everything away from each other.
नजदीक करके बोलो.
From large distances, it pushes everything away from each other, and that is the reason of the expansion of the universe.
Okay. So tell me this.
It's what you talked about was interesting, but it's not quite correct. Quick. You're late. आ जाओ.
Sir?
आगे आ जाओ.
Sir, what will happen when there were two people but on that other side from this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
they'll become even more.
So, when you fall into a black hole, you come out from the other side, and you can go into any universe that you want. What is the universe that you would like to see when you come out?
Sir?
What would you like to see in it? कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि they want a lot of greenery. कुछ ने कहा कि they want friendly animals. कुछ ने कहा कि they want houses made of cake. So what is love? What is the universe that you want?
My own universe.
Yeah.
The one that I am in already.
Oh. So you're so this is the best universe of all universes.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir?
Can't you have anything better than this?
Sir?
इससे बेहतर तो कुछ होगा ना?
But we don't even think any universe. Or we want any.
When I come to you, you will. Huh.
On a universe that like you never ever, I'm telling you, never make any mistakes.
Mistakes, you mean addition, subtraction mistakes or what?
No, like any other mistakes, like you drop a pot or something. Like, you
Acha.
never make those mistakes.
ठीक है. So how about a universe in which everybody is very friendly? There are no fights between people. There's no crime. There's no war. There's no where we don't eat animals. But I mean, we kill animals, huh? So we don't kill animals. We love animals.
And we are having
There's
internet food.
there's good weather. So think of that universe, huh? In which everybody obeys the law, everybody does what he's supposed to. We don't have Ibrahim throwing rockets when he shouldn't be doing that, right? So what's the universe that you want to go to?
Already told you.
क्या बताओ फिर से?
YouTube has infinite food and
हाँ? अच्छा ये
a
हाँ.
YouTube mansion and I'll get rich and friendly humans and infinite food and get all of the play buttons.
यार ये मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. प्लीज somebody explain to me what is a
अच्छा जितने सब्सक्राइबर
Do you even know what is YouTube?
तो ये कह रहे हैं मुझे प्ले बटन
ये play button का फायदा क्या है?
silver and diamond
And there's also emerald.
ruby is like 100 plus 100
Million plus.
million plus
100 million plus subscriber. If you have 100 million plus
Yeah.
subscriber, you will get a award, a ruby play button.
अच्छा.
On which a play button, there is a ruby.
Do you even know what is
यार
YouTube?
I don't have a smartphone so I don't know. ये तुम लोगों सबको पता है ये YouTube?
Sir, hello.
हाँ.
Sir, hello. Do you even know what is YouTube?
हाँ. YouTube.
Yeah, I was talking about that.
But YouTube mention क्या है?
I don't know.
YouTube mentioned?
हाँ.
Like YouTube, it is made of YouTube play buttons. Yeah. No.
Play button क्या है?
No. Play button.
हाँ.
मतलब YouTube play button अगर है ना, अगर 100,000 है ना तो हम है ना सिल्वर प्ले बटन तक पहुंचते हैं.
मेंशन किया तुम जो YouTube मेंशन बोल रहे हो.
और YouTube गाड़ी क्या?
Please explain to me. I need somebody to explain what Ibrahim is saying.
I don't know what YouTube mention is, but I know that play button is a award you get from YouTube when you get a lot of subscribers.
Like 100,000 and a million.
अच्छा.
So they're different ranks. Like first you get silver.
ऐसा होता है जब 100,000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाए तो YouTube आपको ना मेल करता है एक फ्लैग सा, तो YouTube का सिंबल बना होता है एज एन अवार्ड कि आप कितने हो गए subscriber.
अच्छा.
मिलता है 100,000 पे सिल्वर मिलता है, कुछ इस तरह की ग्रेडेशन है.
अच्छा. ठीक.
है ना million तक पहुंचते हैं
अचीवमेंट
ना.
होती है फॉर YouTube.
Okay.
और सर अगर million तक पहुंचते हैं ना तो
हाँ.
million और diamond play button भी होता है.
क्या बात है.
I don't believe it's real diamond.
50 million के होते हैं मुझे.
There are a lot of YouTubers who broke their play button and diamond भी टूटा
हाँ,
है.
ऐसा है. I have many subscribers already.
अच्छा.
But I didn't still reach 100,000.
Okay, guys. So now we have to talk about something serious. इनमें से भारी कौन सा है, हल्का कौन सा है? ये भारी है.
Red one.
अच्छा. मैं इनको छोड़ता हूँ, एक ही वक्त पे छोड़ूंगा. Which one will reach the ground first?
The heavier one. Red one.
At the same time. They will reach at
Okay.
the same time.
So
At the same time.
hands up for whether this one will reach first.
Yes. Yes.
This one will reach first.
No.
Yes. Red.
Both will reach at the same time.
Yes.
Okay.
Red one.
1, 2, 3, go. They both reach at the same time. I said yes.
Smaller one reach at the
Okay.
time.
Try it again.
Bound.
ठीक है.
That's it.
Okay.
Both.
Heavy, light. Right? Heavy, light.
Heavy.
Light.
Same time. Same time. Same time.
3. Heavy.
2,
One.
1, go. Same time. Same time.
नहीं heavy पहले आया. Same
Same time. Same time.
Same time.
Okay. So there is a little bit of history behind this which I have to tell you. This is 400 years ago. ये सवाल हमेशा था ना कि भारी चीज जल्दी गिरेगी या हल्की चीज. तो एक साइंटिस्ट था गैलीलियो के नाम से. गैलीलियो ने एक बिल्डिंग के ऊपर चढ़ा और वो बिल्डिंग जो है ना थोड़ी सी तिरछी थी. इट्स द लीनिंग टावर ऑफ पिज़ा. अच्छा, ये पिज़्ज़ा नहीं है, पिज़्ज़ा. हाँ. और उसने नीचे लोगों को खड़ा किया और उधर एक ही वक्त पे छोड़ा. And the heavy and the light both landed at exactly the same time. Now, this was a very important experiment because it showed that gravity affects heavy and light things. Of course, there's more force on the heavy thing, but the heavy thing needs more force to accelerate it. And so they arrive at the same time.
Okay, let's
अच्छा.
do the small one and the big one.
तो जो गैलीलियो ने देखा, तो उसके कुछ 50 साल के बाद न्यूटन ने कहा, ओहो, that means that the force which pulls something down is greater if the mass is greater, but the acceleration is less, and so he wrote down his equations. And they're very simple equations, but they were so important and so powerful that he could then predict how often the moon will go around the earth, how much time it takes for the earth to go around the sun. ये सारी चीजें उसने इतनी सादा सी चीज को देखकर मालूम किया. अच्छा, उसके बाद फिर बहुत बाद 300 साल बाद आइंस्टाइन आया और उसने कहा कि ओहो, बट आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई ग्रेविटी इज पुलिंग थिंग्स डाउन. तो आइंस्टाइन ने एक ग्रेविटी की दूसरी थ्योरी पेश की. पकड़ो, हाँ, मानो पकड़ो, हाँ, अच्छा, दूसरा, हाँ, नहीं, अच्छा, मैं जब कहूँगा तो डालना. अच्छा, देखो ये क्या है, ये चादर क्या है, इसको सीधा करो ना उधर. नहीं, ऐसे नीचे ही करो.
Are you making an earthquake, bro?
ओके, अब तुम बॉल रखो इधर. What do you see is happening over here?
Bending the
Ah. It's bending the चादर, है ना?
That's how gravity works.
और देखो जहां भी जाता, हल्का, नो, बहुत हल्का.
Sir, आप एक wave बनाओ, नीचे आएंगे.
Now, if you put something like
Wherever it is, देखो, नहीं, इसको छोड़ो, अब ना उछालो. इस बॉल को थोड़ा सा आगे करो. हाँ.
थोड़ा सा नहीं,
बट हाँ, छोड़ो. अच्छा, you see where it is? ना, ठहरो, ना हिलाओ. Wherever it is, ये धस जाता है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, it goes like this.
Yes.
अच्छा, अब एक हाँ, ये इसको अब दोनों को रखो. हाँ, लेकिन देखो, जो बॉल जितना भारी होगा उतना ही ज्यादा इसको बेंड करेगा. अब ना हिलाओ, बिल्कुल. इसको मैं हटा के अगर हल्का वाला रखूं तो कम बेंड होता है ना. So the bending of this fabric, इस फैब्रिक का नाम आइंस्टाइन ने स्पेस टाइम रखा. स्पेस टाइम. अच्छा, when there is a bigger mass, the bending of space time is bigger. When there's lesser mass, there is lesser. Now if I have two objects, अब ये देखो, you see, this has bent the space time and the other one wants to go towards it. That's gravity.
Okay. Okay, try to do it from.
So you see,
This is the sun and this is the earth.
This is black hole.
yeah, exactly. This is the sun,
And this is the earth.
Oh, this is black
and
hole.
we'll come to the black hole. Yes, very good. And as now you see, if they get close, they attract each other.
Because it's bending, the bend is pulling it to there.
That's right. So,
It's a little farther and it will go away.
so they all, you see,
Okay, try to do 3.
okay,
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, and then it will also go.
yes, because 3 will bend more than 2.
Yeah.
Acha. So now,
How much mass it has?
Okay, ठीक है अब हो गया. So what happens with a black hole?
Nothing. It black hole also bends time and gravity.
Yeah.
Almost infinite mass.
What happens with a black hole?
It bends time.
Yeah. And then it attracts everything.
अभी जो मैंने दिखाया है, हाँ, अगर एक बहुत छोटा मगर बहुत ही भारी जिस्म हो, here, don't disturb, लाओ मुझे दे दो. If I have something that is very small, something that is very small, but very heavy, then what will happen? It will not allow light to go out of it, and it will bend space-time like over there. It will bend it down to a point. And Ibrahim, you'll have to be quiet. So this will be a point, a real point, and that is what you call a singularity. Oh, अच्छा, उस सिंगुलैरिटी से गिर के फिर तुम दूसरी यूनिवर्स में पहुंचोगे. Or your spaghettification will happen then. Okay, so now you have understood what gravity is, and you have understood how gravity can even pull light. अच्छा, लेकिन can we find something that will move faster than the speed of light? No.
Or if there is anything we haven't discovered, it may be.
What about darkness?
Something is faster than the speed of light. It's infinite.
What about the
Darkness. Like this.
Speed of darkness. That's an interesting concept. Is there such a thing as darkness?
Yeah.
What is darkness?
No, there's no light.
It's just nothing the presence of light.
Emptiness of light.
What is so? Darkness is absence of light.
Yes.
It's not that. Shh. इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर ले जा, मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहा.
Ibrahim, be quiet.
I know you're gonna tell me. I heard him.
Okay, good. So, but there was a professor who said he had made a big discovery. He said, everybody, there's light all over, but I have something to show you. And he said, the discovery is of darkness. So he said, I'm going to open a cupboard, and inside there will be darkness. Nobody has discovered darkness. I have. So got promoted, became a full professor. He wrote many papers on darkness. And now he's known as the professor of darkness.
What is his name?
His name is Professor. मैं भूल गया हूँ उसका क्या है.
Professor Darkness.
Okay, so now guys, you're going to tell me some nice stories, and starting with Ibrahim.
I don't know a story.
No, but you have to tell us something that's new and interesting that we don't know.
I don't know a story. I already told you.
यार देखो, जब इससे कहते हैं कि बोलो तो ये बोलता नहीं है.
जब इससे नहीं कहते तब ये बोलता है.
हाँ. Yeah. So next time, what should we talk about?
Take this.
We should talk about space.
About
Space.
Zodiac sign.
की बात हो चुकी है ना.
speech.
की बात नहीं हुई. We talked about black hole and stars.
नहीं, ब्लैक होल स्टार्स उसकी तो हमने बात कर ही ली है. ज़ोडिएक साइन.
What about
हाँ, अच्छा.
Yeah, exoplanets.
Sir, Pluto. White hole, the stars they don't exist.
हाँ, let's talk a little bit now about
Pluto?
astrology.
What is astrology?
Tell me about space.
वो जो तुम ज़ोडिएक साइंस की बात कर रही थी ना, लोग कहते हैं कि इन सितारों को देखकर तुम अपनी किस्मत मालूम कर सकते हो, और ये सितारों में लिखा हुआ है कि तुम्हारे साथ क्या होगा, कि तुम जब बड़े होगे तो क्या बनोगे, क्या तुम राइटर बनोगे या आर्टिस्ट बनोगे या साइंटिस्ट बनोगे या बस ड्राइवर बनोगे. तो
सर लोग जाएंगे.
तो क्या कहा?
अगर ये सच होता तो फिर मुझे अभी तक पता चल जाता कि मैं क्या बनूंगा बड़े होके.
नहीं तो देखो, तुम नजूमी के पास जाते हो ना, नजूमी जो नहीं, नजूमी जो सितारों को देखते हैं, वो कहते हैं सितारों में सब कुछ लिखा है. तो ये पता चल जाएगा कि तुम बावर्ची बनोगे या बस ड्राइवर बनोगे या साइंटिस्ट बनोगे या जो भी बनना है, डॉक्टर बनोगे, इंजीनियर बनोगे. इसमें सच्चाई हो सकती है? लोग तो मानते हैं इसको.
सर पता नहीं इतने दूर से सितारे कैसे पढ़ सकते हैं. टेलीस्कोप्स.
हाँ, अच्छा. हाँ, ठीक है, आगे कुछ बताओ. तुम्हें शक है इस बात पे?
सर झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो लोग फिर इसको मानते क्यों हैं?
क्योंकि वो पागल हैं. It's their beliefs of religion and
Like,
क्या?
लोग जाहिल हैं इसलिए.
हाँ?
लोग जाहिल हैं.
यार
not the thing.
लेकिन देखो, ये तो कोई तरीका नहीं हुआ ना कि आप कहेंगे वो जाहिल है, वो अनपढ़ है, वो ये है, वो है.
सर वो इस पे बिलीव करते हैं इसलिए ना.
मुझे कोई रीजन दो, कोई वजह बताओ.
I have a reason.
ओके, सो
Like,
as some people as some people believe that gods exist, like we Muslims, Hindus, Christians, and some are atheists who don't believe. So it's just like on believing a thing.
हाँ.
Like we believe, we don't believe, and they believe. This is the difference, I think.
reason दो ना तुम, ये तो उन्होंने बताया.
This is the reason that they believe. It's all about believing.
Well, maybe they believe in something, right? I mean, I believe that the sky is blue. So, हाँ.
It's not blue. It's like.
It's pitch dark.
तुम बताओ. Give me a reason.
It's because of light.
किस चीज की?
Why should we believe that it is not written in the stars that he will become a bus driver?
क्योंकि हमें अल्लाह पे बिलीव करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें कुरान में बताया गया है ना.
लेकिन देखो, कुरान में कोई ख़ास इसके बारे में बात नहीं बताई गई है कि इसको इल्म नजूम कहते हैं, एस्ट्रोलॉजी कहते हैं. उसके ऊपर कोई ख़ास बात नहीं बताई गई है. अच्छा, लेट मी गिव यू सम रीजंस. हाँ, एक तो ये कि जो सितारे हैं वो क्या है, वो गैस के वो तो गैस के गोले हैं. गैस के गोले में कोई समझ तो नहीं होती है. वो तो सिर्फ न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन से गर्म होते हैं खूब, और हमने स्टार्स की कल बात की थी, तो वो तो गैस के गोले हैं. दे डोंट नो अबाउट यू, दे डोंट नो वेदर यू आर हु यू आर. एक बात तो ये है, अच्छा, दूसरी ये, हाँ, या गो अहेड।
जो किस्मत में अल्लाह ने हमारे लिए लिखा होगा वही होगा।
I also reason.
जो किस्मत में लिखा है वही होगा, ये तुमको किसने बताया?
Like, it depends on us what we do, right?
जिस पे हम कोशिश
No one has the power to change us. Like, we are only the one. It depends on hard work, strategies.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Like, if you know, if they say that like Star says that he's gonna be a bus driver, but he does hard work, and then he can be a scientist or something
studies
that he wants to be.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I don't believe that.
Okay. That's a good reason.
Technically, the sun is the reason life is on Earth. So basically, the sun is the reason of life. It can create something as complex as life. So you can say it's smart.
Yeah, but what we are talking about the stars. We're not talking about just the sun. If somebody says that he is going to be a bus driver, यार ये बंद क्यों हो जाता है? अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक, ओके। सो अभी इसकी किस्मत में वो एक नजूमी ने कहा कि बस ड्राइवर बनेगा। अब दूसरे नजूमी के पास जाओ ना, वो कहेगा ये तो बादशाह बनेगा।
Then he's
तीसरे
not
के पास
gonna
जाओ,
do the hard work.
ये बस ड्राइवर नहीं बनेगा,
ये बादशाह बनेगा।
अंडे पकाने वाला
कोई अंडे पकाने वाला बनेगा।
Coke.
ये कोक फैक्ट्री का मालिक होगा।
हाँ सही है।
तो क्या पता कि इस नजूमी और उस नजूमी, एक तो ये कि हर नजूमी, इस नजूमी और उस नजूमी और उस नजूमी की बातों में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है। They say what you want to hear. So that's a reason for you not to believe them. फिर ये देखो कि जो लाइट उन सितारों से हम तक पहुंची ना, उसको कितना वक्त लगा?
Sun.
बहुत सारे साल, बहुत सारे करोड़ साल लगे।
From the sun it takes
तो
8 minutes.
And
From the sun it's 8 minutes. From the nearest star is how much? 4 years.
4 years.
4 years ago.
Yeah, 4 years ago. But the stars which are further away, it takes hundreds of thousands of years for light to come from there to here. तो उस वक्त तक तो तुम पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी। तो उस सितारे को कैसे पता चल सकता कि तुम पैदा हुई हो? हाँ
समझने की बात एक होता था।
and it's just
हाँ
mixture of
तो
guesses.
हैं?
कोई कहता है कि बादशाह बनेगा, कोई कहता है कि गरीब बनेगा।
हाँ हाँ,
So
कोई
what will happen when we bring
इसको किसी ने बादशाह बना दिया, किसी ने फकीर बना दिया, किसी ने इंजीनियर बनाया, किसी ने डॉक्टर बनाया, किसी ने कुछ और बना दिया।
कुछ ना कुछ का जो
चलो ठीक है।
हम engineer बना देंगे.
सो डोंट बिलीव एनी नजूमी, वो झूठ बोलते हैं। अच्छा ये जो होता है, हाँ, इसको क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? पाम रीडर। उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं?
हाथों की लकीरों को
दस्त शनास। दस्त हाथ को कहते हैं ना, शनास जानने को कहते हैं।
ये तो फारसी है।
हाँ तो है ना, उर्दू क्या है, फारसी ही है। अच्छा, अब वो कहते हैं कि देखो ये जो है ना, लाओ,
ये मुसलमानों की सी है।
ये लकीर बताती है कि तुम्हारी 4 शादियां होंगी। ये लकीर बताती है तुम्हारे 16 बच्चे होंगे। अच्छा, अब अगर तुम्हारी दोस्त ने पढ़ के सुनाया तो वो क्या बताएगी?
चलो तुम
नहीं, इसी
तुम 70 साल की जिंदगी होगी तुम्हारी।
हाँ।
तुम्हारे 2800 बच्चे होंगे।
देखो, एक और दूसरे दशनाश में कितना फर्क है। तो don't believe any of these people, okay? Just use your head. Best thing, हाँ।
सर वैसे लिखा हुआ है असली में, यहाँ पे हाथ में लिखा हुआ है लेफ्ट हैंड पे 81 लिखा हुआ है, लेफ्ट हैंड पे 81 लिखा हुआ है, राइट हैंड पे 18 लिखा हुआ है अरेबिक में।
अच्छा।
हर बंदे के हाथ पे 81
अच्छा।
18।
तो
ये 8 and 1 है और ये 1 and 8 है अरेबिक में। कुरान मजीद में लिखा हुआ है
तो क्या अल्लाह को सिर्फ अरबी जबान आती है, कुछ और भी आती है?
सारी जुबानें आती हैं।
लिखा तो उन्होंने
Never asked him.
no one can ask him।
You can try.
हम बोल सकते हैं लेकिन वो जवाब नहीं दे सकते।
हाँ, यही तो है ना।
We give signs, not answers.
Okay, guys, we're done.
What?
We're done?
We're done.
We're done.
It was
Udhar
fun
Bed.
class.